Hey lovelies, and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And this is today's feature comment. This was the first comment on my last video, so thank you very much for being the first to comment. It really does mean a lot to me when you guys try to get here first. I absolutely love that. So today's video we are going to be using, I'm playing with the Saviland new blue glitter polygel kit. In total, I will put a picture on the screen of what you get in total in this kit. But I only bought the polygel colours because I have everything else and I just don't see the point in wasting any money. So it comes with, essentially the idea is the glitters and these Cateye Polygels with these new ones. But what I did notice is the blue kit and the purple kit both have purple Cateye Polygel, but you can see on the swatches they're a little bit different. One is CE02 and one is CE04. So yeah, so these are the colours here. This kit does also come with a clear. It's just I didn't see the point in showing a clear because I don't use a clear. We do the lazy tip method as well. I'm sorry that I'm doing that again. So that pink one there is a colour change, and then the one at the end there is it looks more purple in person, but it's the Cateye. So that pink one turns into an iridescent sort of white colour, and I really love that colour. So I used the first four. I will be doing a video soon on the Cateyes as well. I just haven't gotten around to it yet. So I'm just going to show you some quick nail prep. So I sped this bit up, but you would just push back your cuticles, use the other end then to scrape away any of the dead cuticle. And then of course buff out the natural shine from your nails, use some dehydrator and primer, and then you're on your way. Put some base coat on, cure it for 60 seconds. I didn't use a gel base coat. I used a peel off base coat today because yeah. And you can also use 100% acetone or just normal rubbing alcohol slip solution to wipe away the dust, and it will also count as a dehydrator. So yeah, if you don't have a dehydrator, you can use 100% acetone and slip solution. So I'm just showing you how I apply my peel off base coat, because I do have a lot of questions about the peel off base coat. I use Barry M, it's my favourite, and basically I just paint it on to my nail like you would normal base coat. I let it dry and then I just apply my tips with nail glue, with builder gel base coat, or the lazy tip method, for instance. Lazy girl method, sorry, it's by Femi Beauty. Sorry, I always say that wrong. I'm like an old woman, I swear. I have like hearing problems. Anyway, but yeah, that's my peel off base coat. And then once I finish doing my video, I usually pop the nails off after a little while. So yeah, it's not too bad. They'll last for about a day or two. But if you want them to last longer, and you want to use a peel off base coat, I would suggest just painting a little like line in the center of your nail and just leaving the edges free of peel off base coat, and then your nails will last a couple of extra days, and then you can change them if you wish to. It's completely up to you. But anyway, we're going to go on to the nails now. So basically what I'm doing, I just painted some base coat into the nail tip here, and now I'm just pressing in some little iridescent sequin stars. This is the pinky finger, so the stars are too big to fit in the top, and I did want to do a stiletto set because I haven't done a stiletto set in a while. I love coffin. That's just my favourite go-to. I just absolutely love coffin. So yeah. So I cured then for 30 seconds, and then I applied another layer of the base coat over that cured gel and sequins just to sort of encapsulate so it doesn't cause any bubbles. And I'm just showing you again then because I do the same on the ring finger but with some blue, because I just do this one in that full blue jelly. So that blue jelly, it's transparent but it's opaque. You'll see what I mean in a second. It's not really thin. Like it's a nice jelly. I kind of really like it. It reminds me of Macart Blue Jelly gel polish. So yeah, I was really happy with that. So I just stuck some blue stars and heart sequins into the wet base coat here. I cure, and then I put another layer in again. And then I go in with the polygel. So the pinky, I do the Dream Blue, which is that colour changer. And I think it's absolutely stunning. So it starts off as pink and then it turns white, and the colour does come back, but the white, it changes instantly. Like whilst I was actually just putting it on my finger and cleaning up the edges, it instantly changed on my nail bed area, which is great. The only thing is this polygel is a little sticky. You'll see as you see it. Yeah, I don't know what it'd be like if you used it the normal polygel application sort of way, you know, you apply a tip and then put it on top. I haven't tried that one yet, but it is very sticky and stringy, but it's okay. I'm not gonna say that it's the 100% the polygel, because this flat, it's like it's on and off, hot cold all day, because we have like the sun the way my house faces, we get the sun on the other side, like coming in through my living room window in the evening, so it does get quite warm, because in the mornings it's cold and then in the evenings it's warm. I really don't know what the hell is going on with our Welsh weather. So anyway, once I had put the polygel in, I then placed it onto my fingernail and then I cleaned up. But like I said, this is very sticky, so it kind of like, it was a pain to like, I had to hold it in place and flash cure for, well, I had to cure for 30 seconds holding it in place, and then a full 60 seconds in total of curing, so 30 and then another 30. But as you could just seen then, the nail bed was instantly changing from the heat of my fingernail, which is nail bed, which I thought was brilliant. So this is the jelly, and the blue jelly is just the solid jelly colour. I think it's called Jelly Blue. Really original, and I kind of like the idea because it's just basic and simple. But this one was a little sticky as well. They were all pretty much a little sticky, but they're workable, and I think that if you put them in the fridge, I think Emily T, there might be a few other people who've actually suggested it, but it's the only person I can think off the top of my head right now. I'm sorry, I know a few other people have suggested it, but you can put your polygels in the fridge and they will harden up. That's what I've been advised to do. I done this set at like 10:30 at night though, so no, it was 9:30 because it's I'm doing the voiceover now and it's 10:30, well, 20 to 11. Yikes. Anyway, so I the next nail then, the middle nail, I decided to do an ombre of that really gorgeous like holographic navy blue glitter and the jelly blue. So I done the tip first, and I just evenly spread the polygel out as you've seen, and then I feathered it down and cured. And now I'm going in with the nail bed area and I'm going to feather that up and ombre them together. You don't have to be like really fantastic with this ombre going up because it's behind the glitter, but you do want that like nice fade, seamless fade going through. So then once that was done, ready to go, I stuck it onto my nail bed, and then I cured in the lamp for 60 seconds. These are all curable for at least 60 seconds. I don't know what it is with Saviland's new formula, but it seems like their polygels need like longer to cure. It's really strange. I don't know why. Maybe it's just me. I honestly don't know. But either way, this is a really nice set, and the kit, and this blue was my absolute favourite. It gives me, again, mermaid sort of ocean iridescent vibes. It's absolutely stunning, in my opinion. Let me know down in the comments, guys, which one you thought, like, which one was your favourite, because this one was just beautiful, in my opinion. They're all beautiful, but yeah. So I did forget to cure some base coat. I put base coat in this nail and I forgot about it, and it didn't cure, so that's why the polygel looked like it was moving around. It was because of the base coat, and that's why it squidged out so much at the cuticle area. Of course, I cleaned up with my brush before curing, and then I go in with the full nail on my thumb of that gorgeous blue glitter. It's absolutely stunning. This kit is just, my favourite colours are generally like blue, purple and pink. My bedroom is mainly like blue with purples and pinks in. I've got this like canvas on my wall. I'll have to take a picture of it and put it in the video somewhere. But I've got this canvas on my wall of like purples, pinks and blues, and it's sort of like galaxy nighttime with like silver details of like birds and trees and stuff, and oh, it's gorgeous. So yeah, this set, like these last couple of sets, that pink, that purple and that blue one, this blue one here, of like, yeah. So anyway, this is what they look like after they have all been cured for a full 60 seconds. And now I'm just going to go in and just file up the sides and just make sure that if any of the I missed any of the polygel that's squeezed out the sides, I file it off, cleaning up the cuticle area with my hand file. The great thing about the lazy girl method is minimal filing. I hate filing. I don't know if any of you hate filing as well, but I absolutely hate filing. I could actually go without it. Of course, you clean up the sticky tacky layer with some rubbing alcohol first. I forgot to say that. Now I'm just going over with the buffer just to make sure that if any of the scratches that I just put in with the nail file are buffed out, and this weird fogginess happened to the nail tips. It was really strange. So I am going to go in with my Macart rhinestone glue now, and I'm going to press in some rhinestones. The great thing about this rhinestone glue, it holds on to your stones for dear life, and it cures so that it's a non-wipe, like there's no sticky tacky layer, which is fantastic. So you don't have to worry about like trying to get around the rhinestones to clean up that sticky layer or get around it with top coat. So that was absolutely fantastic. So I just done like one nail here with a few rhinestones, and then I done some cuticle rhinestones on my ring finger just to give it a bit of shine and jazz. So I just used the top coat for my ring finger, my cuticle cuff rhinestones, but you can use the rhinestone glue again. It's just I'm taking these off, so there was no point in wasting all that glue again just for little stones. But top coat works just fine. I think I've only lost like 1 or 2 stones from top coat, so you know. So anyway, once I'd done this, then I cured again, and then I top coated all of the nails, added some cuticle oil, and oh, I caught my nail then. And then I showed you the reveal shots, guys. So before I go, just to let you know that the giveaway for the collab, the designer nails, is now ended today. I will be announcing the winner on Wednesday with my Wednesday video, but I by the time this video goes out now on Saturday, I will have already contacted the winner, because I'm going to do the draw on Saturday morning. So by the time this goes up, it would be too late. I hope that makes sense. I hope I made sense in that, because just, yeah. So yeah, anyway, the giveaway is over, and I will be contacting the winner on Saturday, because I'll pick a winner Saturday, but when this goes up, it will already have been picked. I hope that makes sense. But thank you all for entering. Really, really appreciate it. And, you know, I'm going to be doing more giveaways in the future, so don't worry if you didn't win this time. You may win next time, and I hope that you did enter the other girls, Oh So Precious's and Jay's videos. They done the giveaway as well. But anyway, guys, this is the end result. I don't think there's much else for me to say. I feel like there is, but I can't think. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of this kit. I think these colours are absolutely stunning. I hope you're all staying safe though, guys. Keep on smiling, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.